What up, what up, what up? It's your favorite YouTuber's favorite YouTuber. That's right, y'all. It's your boy, the Options Boss, sliding up on y'all. I hope all is good. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves and made some money today. And I hope you're ready to study so we could be prepared to make some money the next week to come. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to talk to you about how the stock market is trading right now, things we could do to make some money. We already in a correction on QQQ and what to look forward to next because I know you guys want to know. So with that being said, veterans of the channel, go down below, like the video, drop a comment. Every time you do, your support helps my channel grow, and for that I appreciate you guys so much. Also, watch this video from beginning to end. When you watch this video from beginning to end, you're going to learn throughout the entire process, and the YouTube algorithm is going to love me. So for that, I'm going to love you.
Oh, yeah.
And if you're new to the channel, you're interested in the stock market, you're interested in trading options, I'm your boy. I'm the Options Boss. I'm going to give you the game from A to Z and let you know how the thing go. What you need to do is you need to go down below, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and click all notifications. And when I drop these Get Money Jewels, YouTube is going to make sure you get it first things first, right off the press, so you can put these game plans and strategies right into play the very next day, as soon as the market opens. Now, guys, what a crazy week it's been. The week has finally come to an end. It's Friday, it's after hours, and this is only week 3 of 2022, so we got a lot of room to grow. But this was our best week in the paid options group chat. It was a topsy-turvy week, but it finished off super strong. We had a couple of plays hit real big today, and it just made the week even better. But the key is, as I told you guys in the last video, and I will repeat to you guys until this is over, you have to be careful with taking on large positions, and please do not be trying to buy dips. This is not dip buying season. This is get a put, sit back, chill, go get a drink, come back, take profit season. That's the season we in currently. Don't all that dip buying, that's dead for now, guys. Relax and let the market do what it's going to do. Now, that being said, QQQ is already in the correction, and I told you guys that it was more blood to come, and sure enough today, more blood came in QQQ. We went deeper into the correction. Now, IWM is also in a correction. Guys, that is the small cap, that's the Russell 2000. It is in a correction. So if you're buying calls on small cap stocks, that's not a good scenario to be in because IWM is in a correction. I mean, more likely things are pulling back right now. Also, the Dow Jones, the Dow DIA ticker symbol, that is now about less than 3%. It's a little less than 3% away from correction status, which means that we're pulling back off of that. That is the furthest away from correction out of all the 4 major indices. And lastly, SPY lost the 200-day EMA today, and now it is less than 2% away from, you guessed it, a correction. Guys, the market is correcting right now. This is not over yet, and this is not going to be over yet. I know everybody like to buy dips, and I know, buy the dip is the cool saying and all that, and trust me, I love to buy dips when it's time to buy dips. But it's not always the time to buy a dip. To buy a dip, you want to see a reversal, and then you want to get in. You don't just want to buy because you think it's the bottom. Because if you buy because you think it's the bottom, and it turns out to not be the bottom, then you're going to put yourself in a hole, in a position that you didn't even have to be in from the beginning. I did make a video about dip buying. I'm going to link that video right here. Guys, please watch that video because I want you to understand what it is to buy a dip properly. Also, I have an options class coming up February 19th / February 20th. And if you guys are interested in my options class, yes, it is for a fee. I want you to hit me up and ask me about that options class. I'm only taking 10 people, and I already have several spots filled. So you definitely want to get in, ask about this class. You'll get explained everything in the market from the very basics of how to buy a call and a put to when to buy the dip, to trading psychology, to the Greeks, and so forth and so forth. And things that have made me money throughout the last few years of me trading, I'm going to share it with you guys. So you definitely want to get in this class, and the best way to do that is to drop a comment below and let me know you're interested so I can make sure you got my information. But like I said, guys, the dip buying is not the move right now. SPY lost the 200-day. QQQ is going off the 200-day. IWM, the 200-day, is not even a thought right now. And DIA is creeping as well. So even DIA being the stronger of the four major indices is still on a downward trend. And that's why we want to watch it. And that's why we want to be careful. This thing is not done yet. I know it might be good for some people to see green, especially if you don't trade options. You want to see your portfolio green. But if you're trading options, now is not the time to panic. Now is the time to be happy. And the reason why you be happy is because the market is doing one thing every day, which is dumping and dumping and dumping. So that means you could buy a put, you could forget about the put, you could come back, cash out, make money. And that's a great scenario. That's a great scenario for us to be in as options traders. What I don't want the market to do is I don't want red today, green tomorrow, red the day after, green the day after. That's what I don't want. I want consistent green or I want consistent red. And if you're getting that as an options trader, you really can't ask for nothing more. And right now we're getting consistent red. And since I knew that we were getting that consistent red, I was able to get puts. And like I said, this is why this was our best week in the options group chat. And next week, if we get more consistent red, it's going to be even better. I know the areas that I'm looking for reversals, and I'm not going to buy calls or be aggressive with calls until we get to those areas for reversals. And I know the areas where we got support. So I know to lighten up on my puts when we get to that support area. And I know if we lose that support area, I can then get more aggressive again on my puts. So I have the game plan already ready. If you don't have this game plan, you need to be down below. You need to be in my options group chat. You need to be asking me about my options class. And don't get it confused. The options group chat and the options class is two separate entities. However, both of them will be good for you if you're looking to gain the information that I have about what these key levels are. Because I'm a teacher and I enjoy teaching people. As a matter of fact, I'll tell you guys right now. As far as QQQ goes, from the current levels that we are right now, you cannot be aggressive with call buying and QQQ until you bust through 360 at minimum. At minimum. If you start getting aggressive on tech calls before 360, you really playing a dangerous game, and it's not a game that I want to take part in myself. And likewise, I know right here where we ended the day, I know we ended the day near a key support level around 350 for QQQ. So if QQQ opens up and we don't lose 350, I'm not going to load up crazy on puts. I'm going to be patient and let the market make a decision. However, I know if we lose 350, I can get aggressive on puts. Same thing with SPY. You got a key level. We just finished right above a key level on SPY. If SPY breaks this key level, guys, it's going to be put season again. But if SPY holds that key level, then you wait to see if it bounces. So that's where we're at. That's what you need to be doing. If you don't understand this, guys, definitely hit me up. Definitely get in the options group chat. Definitely take my class February 19th and the 20th because I want you guys to learn this information. This information has totally changed how I trade because now I'm privy to information that when I first started trading options, I wasn't aware of. And I want to make you guys aware of that. I dropped a video a couple days ago talking about when QQQ first lost the 200-day EMA and how we was getting in danger and the correction came. And I want you to check that video out. I told you guys that there was more blood coming. I want you to see if I was right. So check that video out right there. And guys, don't forget, you could always, always, always be a boss with the options boss. You already know. I'm a holler when I holler.